Hi there, my name is Hang and welcome to my channel Lucky Bamboo. And today we're gonna cook a special recipe, uh, catfish sweet and sour soup. So catfish sweet and sour soup. So the main ingredient is I have one whole catfish that been skinned and cut into chunk. And this is about 2.9 pounds of catfish that's been cut into pieces. And the ingredient we're gonna need is this is a rice paddy herbs. This is really add fragrance to the soup. Rice paddy herbs, some green onions, cilantro, some limes, some pineapple, one tomato, one jalapeno, some red chili pepper, some garlic. Gonna slice into thin pieces. And this is bean sprout, and this is okra. So let's chop up the vegetable. So the okra right here already sliced into pieces already. I have a few of them to show you. So we just slice in an angle like this. Okra. Let's put as much vegetable if you want. So, but almost 3 pounds of catfish, I put quite a few okra in. Alright, for the garlic, I slice it into a thin slice like this. Okay, chili pepper, you just chop. You want it at an angle like that. Yeah, this is going to be a really tasty recipe with catfish. It's okay. For the jalapeno, just slice in like that. Okay. And tomato, what I do is just cut into cube like this, like that. Yeah, you can use like 2 tomatoes, but I just prefer just use 1. All right. And this is the pineapples. I cut up some pineapple and put in the freezer so it's frozen. And you can use a fresh one frozen. Just cut it like that. Cut into a little chunk. It's gonna add some flavor to give a sourness, a little sour to the soup. Okay. Alright, this is the rice paddy herbs. That's really with South Asian sour soup, they usually put this really good. You can buy that at Asian grocery store. Just cut it too. Yeah, you never tried this herbs before. You should give it a try when you make soup. Sour soup, really good. And this is a green onion. Just chop it up. I prefer to go in an angle like this. Okay. And now for cilantro, just chop it up. It's a lot of herbs and very fragrant when you cook this. Now with the catfish, here, I clean. I put some salt in and really clean really good. You got to clean it with salt and make sure you clean it really good. And take paper towel and just take all the water out. Take as much water from the catfish as possible. And then I'm gonna season it a little bit with salt. Just put a little seasoning. Okay, turn it over. Take most of the water out here we're gonna fry the catfish first. Okay, just see, put salt on there. Let's start cooking. First, we're gonna fry the catfish. Put a few teaspoon of oil, and we're gonna fry the catfish first. The reason you do that is you want to take out, because catfish is really fishy. If you fry it first, you take out that smell, the fishiness smell out of the catfish. So that's what we want. We just want to sear the fish, or just caramelize a little bit on each side. That's all we want. We're not going to cook the fish, completely. Yeah, this is a popular Vietnamese recipe, the catfish sweet and sour soup. Really, really popular in Vietnamese cuisine. See, you want to, caramelize. Let the fish turn brown a little bit, and each side kind of caramelize a little bit. That's all you want, just see it, not completely cooked. Okay, the catfish already fried. So now I put 8 cups in the pan right here, 8 cups of water in a pan. And bring it to a boil. Let's put some sugar. Just a regular sugar. Put about one spoon, 2, maybe 3. 2.5. Let's do 2.5, and we can always adjust it later. If it's not sweet enough, we can always put some more. I think the water is start to boil now. Put some fish sauce. 1 tablespoon, 2. Well, I try to put 3 tablespoons for now, and then you can always adjust later on. If it's not salty enough or sweet enough, you can always add some more. Alright, the water start boiling. Let's put all the vegetable in. Okra, tomato, jalapeno, chili pepper, pineapple, just cook the vegetable for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then you have then put the catfish back in, and then put the herbs, and then sour in, like squeezing some limes. Yeah, let it boil for a few minutes. That's it. As the water start boiling, cook the vegetable a little bit. I guess now time to put the catfish back in. Oh, put in the bean sprout. Don't take long to cook. Give it a taste a little bit, see how it is. Okay, now squeeze in some lime. Like to reduce the heat a little bit, and just squeeze in some lime. Alright, we're gonna top it off using this one, tamarind soup base mix. Since this recipe requires tamarind, but we don't have tamarind, so we're gonna use tamarind soup base mix. This really sour has tamarind in it. Let's put in that tamarind soup base. Just a little bit at a time, see how it is. You can always adjust it later. Alright, let's give it a taste, see if it's sour or not. Oh, it's sour already. It's good. Just add some salt to it a little bit. That's good enough. That's pretty good already. Now the final thing is put all the herbs in. There's rice patty herbs. Put that in. Spring onion, cilantro. Put all that in, and then the soup is done. Stir it together. You don't want to stir it. You don't want to break up the catfish, so do it lightly. Taste it again. That should. Well, it's really good. The rice patty herb kind of bring the flavor. Can add a lot of flavor to it. Okay, now reduce the heat, and that's it. Last step is to fry the garlic and then dump it in the soup. You fry until it turns like brown a little bit. You brown, and then just dump the whole thing into the soup. This is gonna enhance the flavor of the soup with the garlic in it. I think that's it. That's all you want. Just dump the whole thing into the soup. I'll bring the soup back here and then just put the fried garlic in the soup. This is gonna enhance the flavor. That's it. That's the final product. Let's plate it up. Well, this is the final product. Catfish sweet and sour soup. We have okra, pineapple, bean sprout, rice paddy herbs, cilantro, and green onions in there. So this is a very tasty soup and catfish. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button and give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, and it's gonna be more cooking to come. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.